Hello, everyone. As you can see, I have two doorbells. If you guys remember the community posts that I posted in my community section of my channel, you may have noticed, if you wanted to see more of the infamous doorbell or if you wanted to see more of my Vacuum's Life series. I haven't gotten any votes yet, but if you guys can stop by the community section, I would appreciate that, and I would love to hear your feedback on that poll that I made a couple weeks ago. But yeah, this one's a clone of the infamous doorbell. The reason why it's so infamous is because walk into any Dollar General, you'll find one of these. Walk into any Amazon store, you may see one of these. This one's an older version of the original that I have. It's rebranded by New Tone. I'm dying! It says speaker replaced on the back. R.I.P. doorbell. R.I.P. famous doorbell. If you're wondering what it sounds like, I'm pretty sure you all know why it sounds like that. Versus the infamous doorbell. Here, let's open their battery covers real quick, just so I can show you the difference. And this is another reason why it's so infamous. Put rechargeable batteries in these. I dare you. It sounds hilarious. There's no guarantee that it's going to sound like this, but results may vary. It does sound like it's on semi-low batteries due to it being a bit underpowered. This thing takes a maximum of 3 volts, but the first one that I got, the reason why it was so infamous is because, number one, it couldn't even handle 3 volts, and number two, I put rechargeable batteries in it. It didn't even last more than like 3 weeks. So yeah, I'm not sure why, but if you guys have any feedback, let me know in the comments section below, because I would really like your feedback. But yeah, make sure to check out my community post often. Make sure to check out, or stay tuned for more of A Vacuum's Life. I have some more funny dialogue for you guys, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, please. It really helps my channel a lot, and I appreciate you guys' kind feedback and your kind comments in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.